Welcome to DGSHAPE, a Roland company.
Hello everybody, my name is Brian Kennard, Roland DGSHAPE, Western US Sales Manager.
And I'm Juan Molina, Roland DGSHAPE Dental Product Manager.
And today we are extremely excited to show you our newest Roland DGSHAPE offering, the next generation of mills from our lineup, the DWX-53DC. Enjoy.
Welcome to the next generation of DWX. The DWX-53DC is the art of craftsmanship and automated technology combined. The 53DC includes a new reimagined design, an enhanced frame structure, the latest new spindle technology, and a smaller footprint. Tell us a little bit more about it, Brian.
Sure thing. Well, the DWX-53DC's new smart dust evacuation system and isolated milling chamber keep debris isolated from important components, such as your tools, your rack up here, and even the spindle down below. The new solid body design results in less rocking and vibration when the spindle is applying high RPMs and torque to PMMA and resonance. This will result in predictable, positive outcomes. The latest spindle technology has been reimagined and built specifically for the strains of PMMA and resin milling. There's also a smaller footprint on the machine, saves valuable lab tabletop space by vertically aligning the traverser rack above the milling chamber. The DWX-53DC is the next generation of DWX. Juan, could you tell us a little bit more about the machine?
Absolutely. Thank you, Brian. So, 5-axis simultaneous milling, 6-disc automatic disc changer, a 15-station burr, automatic machine calibration, precision ball screw drive system, the automatic air pressure control, built-in ionizer internally for easy cleanup of PMMA, user replaceable spindle, and redesigned DGSHAPE B-panel software.
So essentially this is a new generation, but it's all still familiar.
Very much.
This mill was specifically designed for PMMA and resin denture milling while maintaining the ability to mill zirconia restorations.
With future in mind, we brought in tools to help you accomplish your goals, IoT and Internet of Things, with built-in camera, accelerometer sensors, and thermal hydrometers. Brian?
So does that mean with the built-in camera, the accelerometer sensors, and the thermal hydrometer, does that mean that I can monitor my milling jobs from wherever, whenever?
Absolutely. V-panel, you'll be able to see what's going on actively in the device, and from the cloud, you can actually keep track of jobs and everything that's going on with your environment.
That's pretty incredible. In fact, the thermal hydrometer, what it will do is whenever there's a change in environment, whether there's a temperature change or barometric pressure changes, then the machine will automatically prompt you to do a new calibration, so that way that your calibration always stays intact.
Enhanced automation, uninterrupted, unattended 24-hour milling capabilities. Now, with 50% faster disc exchange, redesigned material adapter, and up to 100 material adapter IDs available.
So with that 50% faster disc exchange, what's the difference in time between previous and today with the 53DC?
So previously, we were doing about 2 minutes. Now we cut it in half to 1 minute.
Every minute matters in the laboratory, that's for sure.
Absolutely.
With these redesigned material adapters, there's a proprietary design specifically for the DWX-53DC, which will allow for secure attachment of PMMA and resin pucks to that adapter and withstand that extra torque that's being applied to it, so it maintains its rigidity. And then more on the 100 material adapter IDs, that's up from 26 from the previous generation.
Digital dentures optimize. Faster PMMA milling times, 3 times stronger collet gripping, and blasted shank CPV tools. Brian?
So with the faster PMMA milling times, that means that we've reduced the amount of time to mill out PMMA dentures from about 4 to 6 hours down to 2 to 2.5 hours. Essentially what that means is that if you have the entire library loaded up with all 6 pucks, you could be saving up to 12 hours per day in denture milling time with the DWX-53DC. Not only that, but the collet is 3 times stronger. The tooling that comes with the machine will have a sandblasted shank that'll allow for much easier grippage from that collet, less slippage, and more accurate PMMA restoration milling.
Open edge adapter, accessory included with the purchase. Expands your function and reach of the 53DC to achieve results similar to 90-degree milling strategies.
So Juan, as you said, this adapter is included. The great thing is that you can actually load this in your traverser, and you can achieve those 90-degree or like 90-degree milling strategy results without having to unload and load a cumbersome C-clamp or even pay for it. Like he said, it comes with it. This open edge adapter is specifically for the DWX-53DC and can produce highly aesthetic results. And on top of that, it's also compatible with our DK1 denture kit.
DGSHAPE Cloud. Monitor all your DWX current devices from anywhere and on any device. Mobile milling center management, 24/7 remote monitoring, live device status, machine history information.
So with DGSHAPE Cloud, does that mean that I can be in the Bahamas or maybe in Africa or Europe, and I can still monitor my milling center from the confines of the beach or my hotel?
Absolutely, if that's what you want.
Well, what about devices? Does that mean I can also do that on Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, all the above?
As long as it has a browser, you have an account for DGSHAPE Cloud, you should be able to see your devices.
And this is free.
It's free.
Incredible. The DWX-53DC requires less maintenance. Can you tell us a little bit more about that one?
Absolutely. With a new automated ecosystem, which includes a dedicated extraction unit and a cable, it reduces zirconia up to 99%. It encloses the milling chamber with its included ionizer to minimize any kind of PMMA buildup inside. Also, with separate compartments for the disc changer, milling, and the burst, will eliminate any kind of buildup within the area. Just center it inside the milling chamber.
So basically, all this combined with that new automated ecosystem, the separate chambers, that results in less maintenance and less downtime for your lab.
You also have the option of purchasing a Microsoft Surface Pro, as like the one you see right here. Brian, tell us more about it.
So, for connectivity with Microsoft Surface Pro, you must have at least an Intel i5 processor or better. Amongst the current lineup of Microsoft Surface Pros that have that would be the Surface Pro 7, the Surface Pro 7 Plus, and the Surface Pro Go 3. These are not included with the purchase of the mill. They are purchased separately from a Microsoft authorized dealer. And currently Windows 11 is not supported as of September 2022. So make sure that you have a Windows 10 device. Juan, with this optional accessory, what will this allow us to do?
From here, you can install your vPanel and control all your functions of the device, maintenance, loading jobs, you're setting up your tools. And also, if you like, you can install your CAM software in here and do all your nesting.
Wow, that's a lot of utility on one tiny device.
Absolutely. With your 53DC, now you also have added versatility. A 6mm pen type adapter included, milled up to 8 14mm material blocks with included material block adapter accessory. Compatible materials include zirconia, nanocomposites, composite resins, fiber reinforced resins.
Keep in mind this is still a dry mill, so you would be inserting your pin type 6mm mandrel blocks that are your softer materials, like your zirconia, as Juan said, your nanocomposites, your resins, things like that. But it allows you for the ultimate functionality and ultimate versatility with your new DWX-53DC.
Additional accessories and parts. Obviously, your device comes included with a 53DC spindle, a uniquely designed spindle with up to 2,000 hours life. It can go beyond that, but typically that's the life of the spindle. Also, the device comes with 6 adapters, ZMA 53DC, but you can purchase up to 100. The open edge material adapter, you can purchase those as well. The 4mm roughing tool, ZRB200D, new innovative 4mm burr for faster overall milling PMMA times. And the adapter rack, which now holds the newly designed adapters. The DWX-53DC comes included with a 2-year trouble-free warranty. Roland DGA offers a 2-year trouble-free warranty when milling unit is registered within 60 days of delivery. Owners may extend this peace of mind up to 5 years on the mill with an optional service contract. This is only valid in the US, Latin America, and Canada. Thank you once again for your time. This has been a very exciting time for us. It's a brand new device for us, so you might have some questions. Obviously, you post them on the chat. We have a QR code. If you want to scan it, it will take you over to rolanddga.com. You can fill out the content and get more information from us, or we can go through some of the questions that we see in live.
Please ask away. The more questions, the merrier.